Let me tell you all the story.
We don't have water. Oh my.
You know what to do?
Let's check in the...
Let's go check.
Away out in the water in the crystal blue sea. The wind and the sun beneath the coconut tree. I see my elephant is come to welcome me. It's my native island friend. Good monkey. Shake it, shake it. Shake, shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, this is the old-fashioned pressure tank. This is the pressure switch. You can see over here, we have zero pressure. And this is our pressure pump. Running over to our breaker up here. I recycle that. Still not doing it. So we have a plan, don't we?
Yes, change it.
Change out that pressure tank, pressure pump, and we're going to put in a much smaller system. This might be early 20th century, and we're going to go to the 21st century.
Okay, good. Let's do it.
Yeah.
First thing we have to do, we need to measure from here going there and what kind of fittings and pipes that we need. How many fittings?
So what Rose is saying is fittings. Yeah, electrical
Fittings.
pipe fittings.
Yeah.
So we're going to be taking that pump out,
Mm-hmm.
this tank out.
We need to remove this.
So we're just going to be putting in what's called a variable frequency drive pump. And when water is demanded, it will have a constant set point to put the water back into our system at the set pressure, which would be like around 40 psi. Stay tuned for more. Another adventure, right?
Yes, like and subscribe. Subscribe. Ano pa yan? Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. See ya.
Beneath the coconut tree. I see my elephant is come to welcome me. It's my native island.